Hello everyone, my name is Wilfredo Mosquera. In this case I'm going to show you my municipality. Its name is Turbo, Antioquia. It's a brief description about my town. Welcome. What is Turbo? Turbo is located in the pyramid of Antioquia. Um, this is our map. You can see the yellow color. This is Turbo. Turbo limit with north at the north with San Juan Durabane, Coclín, Arboletes municipalities. Um, at the south, we hit limit with Carepa, Chicorobo, and Apartaro municipalities. At the west, with Department of Choco, and the east with Córdoba Department. About society and culture. Our people are so kind, joyful, happy. We like to work very hard. So we enjoy listening to African music. And tropical music too. We love vallenato too. Right now, in this municipality, we celebrate several festivals. For example, the accordion festivals. We celebrate to Bullaranga Fest and the Novembrinas festivities too. It's a great celebration because he joined a lot of people around the town, and inside the town too. We enjoy in family. We can dance a lot during this day or this in these opportunities. We celebrate as festivals. What is the main service in these municipalities? In this picture, you're going to see the educational service. Turbo is a certification in education. Um, we have a lot of public and private institutions, educational institutions. The educational process had improving every year. The idea is to achieve the bilingual step here in Turbo. It's in a process too. Okay, it's in a problem with the educational situation. The majority of young people are dropping out of the educational process. This is the reality here, but the idea is to improve in this item. Turbo has the hospital. Its name is Francisco Valderrama. It's a unique hospital here, but he offers different several services. But is he going to build different spaces to help the health situation here. This is another problem in the service. Hasn't Turbo hasn't the drinking water here. It's an potable water. It's not here, right? We contain some supermarkets. We contain the gas service and the hotel service too. And here in Turbo, we have the police and fire stations. The main places in Turbo is a church, Catholic church. Yes, we can go into with the family. With spiritual spaces there. In this picture, you can see this bark, this sheep here. But his name of this park is PCC. PCC is the name of previously from Turbo. Yeah, the name before it was PCC municipality. Right now, it's an Turbo municipality too. In this picture, you can see the stadium. His name is Treyes. Right in this stadium, a lot we had a got talent. These several sportsmen they're going to enjoy on their free time, and they have several hobbies too. But he's play football and soccer there. And this is the beautiful peak. It's in a beach of Turbo. It's a nice place to go on Wednesday and Sundays mainly, okay? Because you're in family and you're going to enjoy the wines, the water here, the salt water there, okay? For that reason, I'm going to invite to my municipality to enjoy that place. Tuesday is waiting for you. Come here and visit us. So This is all I hope here. I wait here too. So willing in God, we are improving on several troubles, the social trouble too, because we are the gums here is in Christ in is an regrettable situation, but going to improve wailing in God. Same for your attention. God bless you and see you next on another opportunity.